Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos step by step. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like a 10-inch tortilla, your chosen protein, and fresh vegetables. Warming your tortillas makes them pliable and prevents tearing, which is crucial for a perfect roll. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable assembly process. Get ready to create a delicious, satisfying meal. Now let's talk about fillings. Select a delicious protein, perhaps seasoned ground beef or flavorful black beans. Next, add a hearty base of rice and beans, ensuring about 1/3 of a cup of each. Don't forget fresh vegetables like sautéed peppers and onions for texture and flavor. Finally, choose your favorite cheese and a zesty salsa to complete your filling selection. Assembling your burrito is key to its success. Lay your warm tortilla flat and place your chosen fillings in the center, leaving about 1 inch clear around the edges. Remember, avoid overfilling. Less is often more for a tight roll. First, fold in the two opposite sides, then fold the bottom edge up and over the fillings. Roll it tightly from the bottom upwards. Your delicious burrito is almost ready. For an extra touch, you can grill or pan fry it for a few minutes on each side until golden brown and slightly crispy. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings, like sour cream or guacamole. Cutting it in half can make it easier to handle and enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.